Reset your scalp before every install. Extract Trademark Foundation. Reset Trademark is a mineral scalp detox formulated to lift buildup, oils, sweat, and residue before braids, wigs, sew-ins, and protective styles. Powered by bentonite clay, kaolin, activated charcoal, and sodium bicarbonate, it draws out what shampoo leaves behind. Wigs and braids trap sweat, oils, and product buildup close to the scalp. Over time, that leads to itching, heaviness, and discomfort under your style. Extract Trademark resets your foundation so your scalp feels clean, fresh, and ready for install. It removes sweat and oil buildup, product residue and dry shampoo, glue and adhesive residue, and environmental pollutants. How to use: apply to a damp scalp before your install, massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse thoroughly, then follow with Restore Trademark pH Reset Mist. Best for braids, box braids, wigs, sew-ins, weaves, twists, locks, and all protective styles. Start your scalp reset today.